Distinguished guests, government officials, ladies and gentlemen, Bulganaka, and a very good morning to all of you. It's a pleasure to be here in Navua this morning to continue fulfilling the Fijian government's promise of addressing the needs of the grassroots people through the distribution of the micro and small grants in Navua today. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank all of you who have made it here this morning, and a warm welcome to all of you and those that have traveled all the way from the interior of Namosi, Benga Island and St. Sarah province to be part of this event. Bulganaka, and thank you again for being here this morning. This year, ladies and gentlemen, we've undertaken grant disbursements in Lautoka and in Ba and Nadi. And today we're here in Navua to boost the entrepreneurial vision of another 554 Fijians. At the conclusion of today's event, the micro and small business grant would have assisted 20,102 micro entrepreneurs around the country. And this, ladies and gentlemen, translates to 100,514 individuals that will have been directly impacted through this grant. Ladies and gentlemen, Fiji, by international agencies, is classified as an upper middle income country. And this is based on the fact that per capita income that stands at $10,000 and the consistent healthy economic performance and outlook. We need to maintain this positive trajectory. And in order to do this, the Fijian government has in place a national development plan that will drive the 5-year and 20-year development plans. It is the policies and initiatives, ladies and gentlemen, such as the micro and small business grant that has led to the betterment of lives of all Fijians, and also accounts for the positive contribution that MSMEs make to the Fijian economy. Policy makers around the world are moving towards reviving and strengthening their MSMEs, as it is viewed to be the most critical sector in strengthening an economy or making a country stronger from within. And I am glad, ladies and gentlemen, I'm extremely happy and overjoyed that the Fijian government is committed to ensuring that our MSMEs are given the due support. Initiatives such as the MSBG, amongst others, and best targets and recognizes the grassroots communities with special skill sets. Just last week, ladies and gentlemen, the Reserve Bank of Fiji hosted the 2017 National Microfinance Awards, which recognized the success of micro entrepreneurs, micro business partnerships, and micro service providers. The NMA 2017 received the largest or the highest number of submissions from all over Fiji, from Lao to Lao. And this is truly encouraging, as it shows the great interest and the desire to do business and expand one's entrepreneurial dreams. Furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, last Thursday, the Honorable Prime Minister was just down at Wakamalea to launch another crucial initiative, that is the Roadside Stalls Project. This project, ladies and gentlemen, is specifically targeted to ensure that the standard and presentation of the roadside stalls and also the new stalls provide vendors assurance that their produce will not be spoiled by rain or heat. Now, ladies and gentlemen, coming back to today's event, we will witness the disbursement of checks of 554 successful recipients that will be engaging in various business ventures, from handicrafts to farming to baking to frozen food selling and tailoring, to name a few. And the grant, ladies and gentlemen, will not only assist your respective businesses, but will also generate economic activities in the town, or the wonderful town of Navua. With the grant assistance of up to $1,000 provided to each recipient, businesses in the township will benefit through their higher sales in supermarkets and hardware stores and retail stores. As a result, employment opportunities also will be generated from the expansion of these businesses. The MSBG, ladies and gentlemen, is not only about the initial support to get started or to grow your micro business. It is also about giving you the opportunity or an opportunity to graduate your business from small to medium. And the Ministry's partnership with the Fiji Development Bank on this program is to provide you with future funding options. And we are confident that a number of you will go on to expand your current businesses with a further financial assistance from the FDB. You already have the advantage of being listed with the FDB, who together with the Ministry will be able to provide you with the relevant support and advice for those who intend to grow your businesses. Ladies and gentlemen, to put it all into perspective, your government has invested more than $20 million through the MSBG grant program to develop your business. And this is also with the assistance of the Indian government that has provided financial support to this particular program because they believe in it. We want you, ladies and gentlemen, you the micro entrepreneurs, to work together with the government in increasing SME contribution from the current 12% towards our GDP. So with your partnership, we will graduate our stand in the international floor and alleviate poverty and improve our standard of living. Ladies and gentlemen, the Ministry, through its various business development support services, will also provide you with business development training, advisory and hand-holding services to ensure that you all succeed in your business ventures. Ladies and gentlemen, this is very important and you must remember this all. This program is here to stay and we want this program to continue. So the Fijian government will continue to provide its support in making your dreams become a reality. Furthermore, we have placed our trust in that you will take ownership of the funding that has been awarded to you and utilize it for the purpose that it was intended for. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all well with all the business ventures that you're actually going to get into, and I look forward to working with you in the near future. Thank you very much, and Damba.
Please, a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. A round of applause for our recipients.
Thank you very much.
Adrian Chand, Isake Miller,
42,
Anirudh Prasad,
43,
Anita Devi,
44, 49,
Apisai Silasila,
50,
Apisai Vekoyaki,
51,
Apisai
88,
Damayanti,
89,
Dale Kumar,
92,
Dhirendra Chand,
93,
Dipesh Chand Maharaj,
94,
Frederick Lewis,
119,
Gautam Gaheshwarlal,
120,
Geeta Devi Prasad,
121. Ana.